Drama ensued at Kiplombe Cemetry in Eldoret after neighbors and friends of the deceased blocked his burial. They demanded that his family accept responsibility for a young boy said to be his. Our reporter Gabriel Kudaka witnessed the incident and reports that the burial was called off amid the drama.
It was meant to be the final journey of the late Dida Guyo, who had been working and living in Eldoret's Langas estate. But just before his body was laid to rest, his friends who had been living and working with him raised concerns.
Wakati mzee amekufa, tukaita watu wao kutoka Marsabit. Wakati wamekuja, tumewaambia kuna mtoto aliwachwa hapa na mama yake akaenda. Wao wenyewe wamesema hawatakubali kuchukua mtoto, ni kusika mwili hapa. Na sisi kama majirani tumesema haitawezekana waende na mtoto. Wakati tumewaambia tuende polisi tuandikisane, wao wenyewe wamekataa.
Singekubali mtoto ya rafiki yangu aende akuwe nini? Akuwe street boy na kuna uwezo watu wao wako hapa.
Tuko na picha tunawapatia.
For more than 8 hours, there was a standoff between these two groups, with one insisting that the family members of the deceased had to take responsibility of one of his sons before they allow his burial to take off. And as voices and emotions ran higher, the casket lay there in the coldness of death, sometimes unattended. The young boy at the center of the controversy watched the drama as the chill of death sank in further amid the noise. Under the cover of controversy, a sheep that was grazing nearby fell into the grave. And this was the friction that sparked superstition.
Vile imekuwa ni mfurutano tangu asubuhi mpaka saa hii. Kwa kondoo kuingia kwa simo, naona ni kondoo nyeupe. Kwa hivyo tunaona kama mzee hakukuwa na nuksi, hii safari itakuwa mzuri kama ukweli itajulikana kutoka kwa DNA na serikali tusaidie.
Dida's family refused to comment on the matter, some choosing to watch the unfolding event from a distance. Police from Kapsoya police station moved in and ferried the body back to the mortuary as the matter awaits to be solved. Gabriel Kudaka, NTV.